Audi TT Mk1 original wheel reveal. Hi all, Andy here and welcome back to the channel where today it's all about returning the 3.2 V6 to stock wheels. If you've watched my video on the purchasing of my 3.2, you will know that I'm not a fan of the aftermarket wheels on the car. If not, please click the link above to check out my 3.2 review.
One of the first items I've bought for the new TT is a set of original Ronal wheels. I got a really good deal on these, delivered, all one price. Was really happy with what I paid for them. There were a few other sets around, but I thought I'd take a punt on these, so I've not actually seen them with my own eyes. So what's inside is as much of a mystery to me as it is to you right now. So let's get it unwrapped and take a look. Wowzers. Now when I bought these, I was aware that one of the tyres needed replacing and the guy was not wrong. There's actually thread poking through this tyre. The other tyres, they look fine. Plenty of tread left on them. Bit of shoulder wear on one of them, but I think they were actually recently refurbished, so I'm hoping the condition of the wheel themselves is good. I'm sure there's a better way to do this. Hold fire. Always use the right tool for the job. Well, they're not quite original colour, but they do look pretty nice. So there's actually a ratchet strap on the side after all of that. So, well, there goes a chipped wheel to start with. Maybe not. No damage, which is good. Maybe a little bit of mark there. But that might have already been there. Okay, so I'm going to give that a lift. And there you go. There is an original, if somewhat a bluey silver, original Ronal wheel. Obviously, there are a lot of aftermarket wheels, so I just thought I'd check on the inside. That definitely says Ronal there. There's a part nut. There's obviously the Audi badge in the wheel there, and there's the part number. Which can we make it out? Oh, there we go. So the part number is AN06010251. So I'm going to check and make sure that's the original part number.
So I checked the part number and sure enough it is genuine. These wheels are the real deal and not aftermarket copies.
So let's get that rolled out of the way and look at the next one. Okay, looking at the next one, this is the one that definitely needs replacing. How someone has driven it like this, I have no idea, but there is nothing left of that shoulder. All the threads are hanging out. So that wheel is definitely going to need a new tyre. Next wheel, again, looks in pretty good nick. Slight damage to the rim, but nothing to write home about. Loads of tread left in this tyre. So that one is a Bridgestone Potenza. So the first three wheels I've looked at so far have all got different branded tyres. Nothing unusual about that though. Number 4, and I think we've got a match. Although this feels flat. I wonder if it's got a puncture. This has got a scuff on the rim of the tyre here. In fact, it's scuffed quite badly all around this one. The fact that the rim's scuffed and the tyre's flat makes me think it may have had a knock at some point. So I'm only going to really know what the condition of the wheel is like when I take it to have a new tyre fitted. So I'm going to line them all up now anyway, and you can take a look and see what you think. So there you have it. 4 Ronals in a very dark bluey grey, almost like a gunmetal, but it's more blue than a gunmetal. The one I'm concerned about is this one. Although it's not the one without the tyre, it is flat. So I'm thinking that may have had some damage, so I need to get the wheel checked. This one and this one are pumped up fine. However, this one, the one with the Michelin tyre on it, this is the one with the bald thread. This one on the end here looks a good wheel, plenty of tread left on the tyre. So I've got a Bridgestone, a Michelin, a Dunlop. Cannot see. What are you? What are you? I thought I may have had 4 tyres with 2 the same. Now I've got 4 different tyres there. I think I need at least 2 tyres out of that. So maybe my gamble hasn't paid off, but I have got a set of original wheels at least. One of which I think might need to be looked at. But yeah, so there are the 4 wheels.
So did the gamble pay off? Well, one single brand new alloy on Alloy Hub, one of these Ronal wheels, will cost me over £450. A full set of these alloys with brand new tyres and 4 centre caps, I'm looking at over £2,000. For £300 and potentially salvaging 3 of these tyres for spares in future, I think is a good deal. A full refurb for these wheels I've purchased will be around £50 to £75 a wheel, so I'm looking at a further £300 there for refurbishment. I've also looked into tyres, and I can purchase a brand new Bridgestone Potenza tyre for £100 a corner. So for half the price of a new set, I can fully refurbish mine and put on a brand new set of tyres, the process of which I will follow in a future video. So what are your thoughts on my blind purchase? Did I make a good one? If so, please leave me your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video interesting, please do give it a thumbs up, and also think about subscribing to my channel if you've not already done so, where you'll find a whole host of content on the Audi TT Mk1. As always, thanks again for watching and see you soon. Take care.